What's going on, everybody? I hope you can hear me. It's awful windy and I broke the wind mic for this sucker. So anyways, we're going to attempt to take that alligator skull or head and turn it into a skull mount. Never done it before. I have done a few deer that way, but let's see how this goes. So first of all, try to get out of the wind here. Wanted to apologize for not being available to do videos for the last several weeks because, well, since the hurricanes hit, we've been really busy. And then that goes out. I can't keep it going in this wind. Anyways, I'll get it working. But been doing a little bit of alligator hunting on the weekends when we got some spare time. That one there, I'll show you some footage. We got that guy with Salty Adventures down in the Everglades. I've been going out a lot with my buddy Jason Bihari, who you can find on YouTube, does a lot of diving videos, really good stuff. And his little buddy Nick, who's become a good friend of mine now. But yeah, we've been running all over, up and down a river. We're gonna keep the name a secret. They don't give it a lot of tags for this area, but we had to deal with a lot of flooded conditions. With the hurricanes and all that, the water was so high. The alligators really didn't have anywhere to sun themselves unless they were able to get up on a tree or a log. So a lot of what we saw was in the water, crossing and such. But eventually the water went down to a normal level. But what a beautiful area. If you've never had a chance to take an airboat ride on the rivers and down here in Florida, absolutely gorgeous and filled with wildlife. Everywhere you look, there's something. A lot of big boys sunning themselves on the side of the bank, but just not what these guys were looking for to fill a tag. This one here is probably in the 8+ range. Again, Jason and Nick want to tag something big. Problem solved. My buddy Dave had one. It's huge and it's working really good. My buddy Ernie's was brand new. Don't know why I can't keep it going, but this is a double burner, so this will boil quick. Time to go in with it. Kind of like making chicken soup, but without the chicken in the soup part. I took the basket out. Fits perfect. Now I can put the lid on. While that head boils, we're going to show you some of the footage from a couple of different trips where we've used a couple of different boats. Jason's got a Panga and then a cool little flats boat or John boat, whatever you want to call it. But we catch one that is actually shorter than this one, but I felt had that particular gator by probably 100 pounds. But check it out. I'm going to show you some of the clips and different scenarios we ran into over the last couple of weekends, or a few weekends, and we'll be back. All right, so what we're dealing with is the water. We've had so much rain, the water is so high that there's really no bank for these guys to go sun themselves. So we did just spot one up. He's up river here, cruising towards land. All right, what's the game plan then?
Yeah, he's up there with a trolling motor, and I might try to call him back out of that tree. He's going into that tree. Try to get him in open and cast the hooks on him. If I had bait, this is a good place to bait. This is one of the only places really in the river, upriver, that you can use bait in.
Just because it's more of a lake than it is connected. It's not current.
Yeah, there's no way to use bait in that open river with a current. Grab a rod, Nick. I'm on him.
Stick him, buddy. Nice job, Jason.
Here, somebody take him. Just keep it tight on him.
Hey, nice cast, brother.
Get a second hook in him. He went crazy.
Yeah, you hit him. He did not like the stick.
I had the hook in him for a second, trying to just sit there with him, but he got too tight on him.
Did you feel like you get him back?
Yeah, he was definitely back. Probably mid-body to his back legs.
He's heading for the bank over there.
There he is. Cast on him.
Missed.
Pump on him, Nick. Pull him to the right if you can. Well, did it just come out?
Yep.
Or break? No. It didn't break it. You still got a hook. Did it stretch him out? Oh yeah. Let's tie a different hook on there.
Big nasty.
That was bigger than this one.
Sitting right on that log.
There's another one straight ahead of us. I think so. Where there's binoculars. Catch him.
No, this has only got a 1 ounce. Or I mean a half ounce.
Just don't hit the tree above him.
Damn.
Break
Go
it.
ahead.
Just break it. Or no, stop. Just leave it there. Leave it there.
Go
Leave
ahead.
it there. We're on the side of him. I'm gonna hook him in his tail.
No, you're not. Epic fail, guys. He's swimming over my line right now.
We might as well go over there and get our hooks and break them off.
That's a mongo, too. You wouldn't tag that?
This weekend and one more weekend.
Dude, that thing is as good as that last big
Friday
one.
night.
Whatever you want.
Gosh, I hope I can zoom in. That is a lot of gator right there.
He's bigger than 10.
He's big.
I'm gonna try to just get to the bank, that way if he slides in, we'll be parallel with him.
Shoot him.
Get up on the bank and whatever you want to do, Nick. You want to handline him? Do you want to shoot him? You want to get up on the bank with him, Steve?
What do you think, dude? I think he...
It's up there.
That's a good gator, man.
I know the two that I want to bait,
Dude.
but I got time.
You've got... Listen to... You've got the opportunity to make a choice right here, right now, man. Whether you want to tag him and shoot him.
It's up to you.
No.
Huh?
I don't know.
Don't say I don't know. Just say yes or no. Either that or go up there and just hook them. You want a hand line?
I don't know. That's gonna be harder.
Ready?
That one's only
Well, go
got.
hook them.
That's
What?
right.
There he goes. That is a stud.
Get in the boat. Get in the boat.
Get in the boat.
Get in the boat.
Just let him take drag, dude. That's 40 pound.
No.
Just let him take drag. Because that dude, you ain't gonna stop him till he's tired. You stuck him too?
I'm in a log.
I know.
Let me get underneath.
Just take your time, Nick. No, just leave
No,
the
no, I'll
drag
do all the work.
the way it is. I got my pole still if you want to just break that off. Just let that, keep that pole off a little bit so the pole can work for you, boss.
It's not helping when he's pulling.
All right, keep it up. Take your time and tire his butt out.
He's gonna get underneath that tree, I think. Keep it tight, keep it tight. More than pulling on him, just keep it tight. I'm gonna try to get in between him and the tree. I can't see the line.
The line is here. It's going that way, though.
I'm trying to spook him away from the tree. Going back out in the open, I think.
Yeah, pull up. So it's not lying.
All right, he's going back out in the middle. We're better now. Get him.
Coming up. Neutral.
I'm in neutral.
Okay.
He's not coming up.
You want a hand line?
Well, I think we got
we
two
get him.
in him now.
You're gonna have to do something. We're gonna go into a tree. You guys are gonna have to pull him out of the tree.
Okay, go that way then. Stay tight, man.
I think he froze it.
Yeah, I think I might have him up high. He's coming up right here, boss. Sees that tree.
Going to that.
Going to that.
You have a hole under either of them.
Pull him to the left if you can.
All right. Swing out. Hard. Okay, we're lifting.
That's fine. I'm just trying to get us clear of the next tree. Let me get up in between you two.
Just remember our lines are crossed. I think he spun around.
Dang, it's so deep.
It is so deep. Hold on, let's try to raise him. You ready? Start gaining on him.
I'm in your knot. Hold on. I'm in
It's all
your.
right.
I don't know which way to go with it.
It's all right. You got it.
That's that four down there.
Oh, there's trees behind us too.
You know,
I gotta bump
We're
us.
just, yeah, we're just
we're just holding him up.
dragging him.
I just feel a bit more.
Let me see. Let's lift up together. Let's see what we got going on here. Hold on.
Look, he hit the boat when he ran.
I'm in neutral. You guys got us. If you think you got him up close, I'll jump up there with this line.
We did have him up. We should have not. That's all he needs to throw.
Just don't let it hit the bottom of the boat.
Don't let him hit the bottom of the boat.
No, don't let your line hit the boat.
He
I'll
runs
put the wood to him and he's coming. You ready? There he is.
Grab your camera off there. Grab your camera off there.
That's a, look at the scar. That's a good one, guys.
You want to hold this? I got that rope.
Something tells me he's a little pissed.
Sit down, sit down.
What are you laughing at? You weren't as close to that mouth as I was. He's rolling. Our lines are cut.
No.
Our lines are cut.
Put the rods down. Nick, take that camera from him. Don't pull him in, don't pull him in.
I'm not.
I'm gonna back up. Shit.
Oh shit.
Let go, let go, let go.
Gator don't play no shit. You feel me? Gator never been about that. Never been about playing no shit.
Woo! Woo!
There's a good bank right
Look at that. Look at how hard he pulled. Look at my hand. Woo! Dude, that's a stud.
That one almost went in the boat.
Cool scar on the face.
That one too close.
Yeah, that got wrapped around my hand. I couldn't let go, and then his mouth came up.
His mouth got real close. He burned you?
He's hissing. Oh, it's no biggie.
I'm gonna get us
All part of the game, brother.
I'm gonna get us to this bank.
Okay.
His mouth is coming up again. Watch out.
Oh, you're in his mouth.
He ain't coming off, I promise.
Are we getting this one or what?
I'd kill this one right here and right
I'll
now.
measure him.
Can we kill him before we measure him?
I got a tape measure in that box right there.
What, up front?
I'll pull him up on the bank.
He's angry.
Nick, hook that dock line back up. It's right here. Go around. Jump on the bank, go tie us off that tree there.
Careful, Nick. Go out that way. Look at the mouth on that.
Tie it to that tree behind us.
I don't think it's long enough.
Oh, we're gonna spin around and have him between the boat and us.
That's fine. That's fine.
Pull, 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 pull.
We're right where I want to be. As long as he stays in the water.
Oh, he's rolling up, man. I'm out of line here.
I got him, man. He ain't coming off of this.
Watch those hooks.
I promise you he ain't coming off of this. I'm gonna jump over.
You don't know how to tie it up, tie it up.
Careful, buddy.
I'm glad I got this thing.
You aren't kidding.
It worked perfect.
Dude, that's a good gator.
Alright, Steve, you wanna jump off? There's tape all the way in the bottom. What are you doing? Come on.
This tape?
That's the tape measure, yeah. We're gonna do duct tape first. What are you doing, buddy? You ain't going home, I promise.
Dude, that's a nasty one.
I'll tell you what, this is the most intense gator I've gotten.
Yeah, he bit the boat.
It's so muddy.
Oh, dude, he's freaking heavy, man. Oh, he's got his feet locked in.
There we go.
There should be another one somewhere, but
I think the hook's in
The hooks could just fall out.
You got him?
Mm-hmm.
Fighting me too. You want me to tape him?
Yeah. No. No, hold on.
Listen to that bellow, dude. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. He's fine. Throw that back in the boot. Oh, you want to go forward? Okay.
Ride him, cowboy!
Go to the tree. Go to the tree.
Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy.
Don't scratch my feet. Go tie him to that tree.
All right. Look at this crazy scar, man.
I'm gonna hold it on his nose. You guys look at the dumb end or the smart end.
Hey, you got the dumb end, dummy.
I know. I said the smart end.
Let's straighten him out. I'm gonna grab his tail, so.
Go over top of his back real quick so I can sit back down.
All right, hold on. Hey, what's your guess?
10-6.
9. He's 9'3".
9.
That is a fat, big 9'3", dude.
9.
That is a big 9'3".
I told you he wasn't in there. It's big. All right, get this other rope off of him. We're gonna let him go.
All right. Belly is on that thing, man. Gosh, he looks bigger than
You
9'3".
wanna untie me?
Okay, he's got his energy back. He's moving his tail.
Okay. I'm gonna go back and then that way. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
He didn't move.
Wow.
He's hissing.
He's mad, dude. He's got his energy back, though. Yes, big boy. Look at the size of that thing. That is the biggest 9'3" alligator. Are you sure you read that right? Yeah. That's an old dog.
He don't look 9'3" to me.
He is huge.
He's going now, so.
Gotta start returning.
Dude, that's an old gator for being only that length.
Who read the tape? Oh, shit.
Later, big guy. Thanks for playing.
Hey, at least we got our practice in.
Yeah, practice. Now I need a nap.
Think about the big one down there.
I still don't believe that. How much girth?
Well,
He just looked
next time
old.
You look at the tape too.
Yes, I
You
guess.
did, didn't you?
I don't think so.
It should be on time.
Holy cow, that was a big gator. Well, good work, boys.
That one ripped everything off of it.
Hey, that right there was worth the price of the tag anyway.
Yeah, you are not kidding. What
on
a
already.
big old boy.
Look at the bubble line.
That was too cool.
He was wide.
All right, let's go get another one.
Boy, that scared the crap out of me when my hand got
Oh,
wrapped up in the line and he kept going.
Wait till you see my video of his mouth coming up. You were only that far from
Oh
it.
yeah, no, I know, I felt it. I smelt his breath. Now, I gotta clean them up a little better, but bleach, maybe some peroxide, light pressure washing, and we will have ourselves a skull mount. Some of the teeth came out. Jason said I should pull them all out to just get them cleaned up, but hey, my first attempt. So anyways, that's that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know we had fun making the video, so we'll have another one coming out soon. But until the next one, we are out of here. Thanks for watching.